Oh la 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 la, don't know what to say, like a lollipop. Yeah, that's how you taste, sweeter than what's in an ice cream truck.
So guys, we have just created a monster, like you can see, like this. What the fuck is this? And yes, we have done this on our Duke 200. It doesn't show up in the morning as much as it shows on the night, but the voice is just like awesome. And you can do this to your bike also. It doesn't matter that your bike is how much cc, 200 or 150 or 100 cc also. You can do this to eliminate to this fuck my English. You can do this to any bikes, even scooter. What even scooter, like there's one scooter which have gas, Chetak or Eliminator. This process can be done to that bikes also. So as I said, this doesn't work in morning, so we have to show you the night clips. So this is the flames on the Duke 200. And so as you just saw, awesome now. And I will provide a link in the description who made the bike look sick and also throw flames. So if you want to make your bike like this, you can contact them. Links in are on fuck links are, links are in the description. Their contact, their YouTube channel. They also have a YouTube channel where they fuck this is so heavy. They have a YouTube channel where they show their bikes which they have made. So if you want to subscribe to them, just subscribe to them and said you have come from here, which is me, Sahil Khadir. And do like the video if you like the bike. And yes, why don't we just love? No, why you wouldn't like the bike? It's literally throwing flames. You get me? And stay awesome. Peace.
Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online.